Hi guys, today we will cook a new meal together, very easy meal. It's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes of cooking, so it's very fast too and easy. So for this meal you need these things, so it's turkey paupiettes. I think it's paupiette too in English. I think carrots. If you don't like carrots, you can cook without. It's okay. Coconut milk, garlic, and noodles. Okay. Thank you again for support me, and don't forget to like the video if you like, and comment. Okay, let's go. So like 2 minutes per side. Okay, we need to have brown meat. Okay, we can prepare the sauce. The milk, and the coriander. I don't have fresh coriander, so I use this. I will open. Perfect. And now you put in the fridge. And we can start to cook the noodles. We can add the water for the meat. And you can cover. We wait 25 minutes. Now we can start to cut the carrots. I just cut one side because you will see, just need to do this. Okay, and now It will be with the noodles. Now we can add the noodles. I'm sorry, I cut. Sorry, Italian people. I think I have enough. It's 3 minutes. Okay, so now it's good. We will add the carrots. Okay, and the sauce.